page 40. Consider the following reaction. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. This is the same one that we used on the previous worksheet. Back on the Intro to Limiting Reactants worksheet, we determined that when 6 moles of H2 reacts with 4 moles of O2, H2 was discovered to be the limiting reactant. So our H2 is the limiting reactant, and it was discovered that the O2 was the excess reactant. How many moles of O2, our excess reactant, are required to react with 6 moles of H2? Well, our initial quantity is going to be the 6 moles of H2. That's our initial quantity. And our unknown quantity, how many moles of O2? That is our unknown. So let's do that math. We have how many moles of O2 are required to react with 6 moles of H2. Cancel your moles of H2 and find your moles of O2. And we now have let's see, we have 2 hydrogens, that's a 2 coefficient there, and 1 oxygen molecule, that's a 1 coefficient there. Moles of H2 cancel. Don't forget to write your moles in here. Okay, moles, moles. And we get 3 moles of O2. So 3 moles of O2 will react, because that's how much it takes to totally use up all of the H2. Well, how much of the O2 is left over? Remember, when you're finding the leftover, you take the amount at the start minus the amount used up, and that's our leftover is equal to the amount at the start minus the amount used up. And so that's going to be, we had 4 moles at the start, and we're going to subtract 3 moles of O2 that got used up, reacting with all of the H2, and we get 1 mole of O2 is left over.